So guys, in this video today we are going to get a service kit for the Audi. I feel like I've abandoned the Audi for quite some time, so I'm giving it attention today. I'm going to get pollen filter, air filter, oil filter, possibly spark plugs if I do get them. So I'm just wondering if I'm gonna get the service kit for this car because it's quite an old model, 2006 Audi. So I'm just gonna head to Goldwagen or Midas or these aftermarket spares. Maybe I'm gonna get something for the Audi. And guys, don't forget that the match is still up for sale. You can order at www.curtisandcars.com. Each shirt is 300 bucks and delivery is 100 bucks. Don't forget that the match is still up for grabs. It's only 300 bucks and delivery is 100 bucks. You can order at www.curtisandcars.com. So we have Stance drivers, where are you? And we also have Polo drivers, where are you? So don't forget to smash the like button, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go. As you guys can see, these cars are so dirty. It's gonna need a full valet wash on the inside, and it's up for grabs, this car. And how much are we selling this one for?
70.
65. This one for 70 is shopping his own commission. So it's 65,000, 2006. It's still clean. So I'm just gonna do the service and then clean it up, and then you will see. Oh, the slate queen is so dirty. I haven't driven this car in a while. And also don't forget that we also still have the Vivo. The Vivo is also still up for grabs. And then this is Liwas 9 and 3. Liwas 9 and 3 was part of the Park Stands and Chill. So hit me up if you want the Vivo. The Vivo is 89k. It's negotiable. The Slay Queen is not for sale. The Audi is for sale, 65,000. It can be negotiable. So guys, comment down below and tell me what do you guys think about the Audi and the Vivo, if the prices are reasonable. Let's go. Yeah, I think we can buy. So we're gonna start at should we start Midas or Builders?
Midas is expensive.
I feel like Midas is quite cheap. It's better than Goldwagen. Yeah.
But at Midas, where you gonna find the things for this car?
So here's inside the Audi. It's not that bad. It just needs deep cleaning because these seats are actually not this brown. They are actually a lighter shade than this. And then I'm gonna need the hood lining. So comment down below and tell me if you know anyone and refer me to someone who can be able to do the hood lining for me. And yeah, it's gonna match. So what they do now, I saw it on Mambo's. It was a promo. So they do a color grading on your car. So they have this other machine, and then they're just gonna check the spectrum of your color using that machine, and then they're gonna take those codes, they put it in the machine
At Builders Warehouse.
At Builders Warehouse, and then the machine is gonna mix.
Them free promo. It's not free promo, get it.
Either way, we are fine. It's fine. And we're gonna start at Builders.
Builders Warehouse.
Builders Warehouse. Get that paint.
Builders Warehouse is there in Midrand though.
There's one here by actually I don't wanna say the name because now people will know where we stay. But yeah, I will show you.
I know the one you're talking about. That side.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't even say the name.
Yeah, but that side we're gonna be getting it from there. Hopefully they do that thing as well. So guys, we're right here. We're checking if we're gonna get the paint. Hopefully we're gonna get the paint. But this Bruce says this is Builders Express. We might not find the paint, but it's worth a try.
It's not bad, eh? Hey, Moya. Hey, out.
You guys do the compressed paint for cars? Is it only Builders?
I mean the vehicle though.
Which one they do? Because I saw a promo by Mambo. You went to Builders.
Check the video.
The bigger one, they by one side.
That's one
Check by
biggest.
The biggest, ne? Oh yeah, and I think he was also there when you did that. Thank you, ne?
You can also check by thingy. Chamberlain, because Chamberlain also mixes. You can just compare prices.
But Mambo was also there.
Yeah, compare prices.
Eh? Chamberlain.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, Chamberlain.
Which one is Chamberlain? By
Chamberlain
Lifestyle?
is the blue one. The one next to it. Not next to it, but just down the road from it. The blue one.
Where is it? Lifestyle.
It's there, yeah. It's close to Builders Warehouse.
So this is why we need the spray can. I'm gonna get the spray can and then 1,000 sandpaper or 1.5. Sand this down and then prime it and then put the paint. Hopefully it works out to be nice, but this is just aftermarket job, DIY. I don't think it's gonna come out as clean as this one, but it's worth a try because I don't want to spend more money on this car. It's priced to go 65,000. You can have it for yourself. Fruitman vibes. Let's go.
Cake can handle this.
So guys, we were at the HQ because the Builders Express, they didn't have that section for the paint. So right now we are going to see if maybe they're gonna assist us. So guys, we didn't find what we are looking for because I saw this other ad by Mambo where he said that you can get pressurized can for cars, but I'm here at Builders, but they say they don't do it. So I want to call Mambo and ask him where did he get that pressurized can. Hopefully he answers. Mr. Mambo. I'm good. How are you, man? I wanted to ask you, man. I saw you did a promo for Builders where you can get a pressurized can for cars. Which Builders was that? Because I went to a Builders nearby me. They said they don't do it.
The one in by Rutherford, by Cresta. Was it Cresta or Cresta?
Oh, by Cresta.
Yeah, by Cresta. That's
Okay, not a problem. Thanks, man. Let me check them. Sharp.
Why does it look like this one?
Eh?
And it looks like.
So guys, we have abandoned the mission of buying the spray can. We're just gonna get a service kit here by Goldbach. I'm doubting if I'm gonna get it because this is such an old car. But let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Hopefully we're gonna get it. We got the service kit. Hey, boy, you don't wanna know how much is it.
Oh, now you wanna show prices?
It's fine. 1.2. So I got all the filters: cabin filter, air filter, oil filter, and fuel filter. The only things that I didn't get, it was spark plugs. Guess how much was it? It was 73 for all four.
So when did
I
you
was
take them?
like, no, I'll do them some other time. For now, let's just drain the oil and then change all the filters. And yeah, the rest of the stuff we'll see. There's no money, guys. I don't have enough allowance, but I'm just gonna do one.
but you'll make it, boy. Yeah? Okay. You don't care? Yeah, I'm quite it.
Chopper, can you please prepare the others go away? I think we might have a mess here. Sharp.
Do you think I know you with
This one is dirty.
Yeah.
Do you have a 33 or 34?
I will use the new one.
Socket, yeah, I need a socket. I need to remove the oil filter for this car. Please check for me if you can.
Andrew get this drain the oil himself.
Check how the
Wait, I got 2 weeks. I won't wait. Cheers, away. Compliments to you.
Dennis.
Old one, new one.
Ya o bolela le chopa ne. Dinsang. Wangwa. Oh, nanya ka na le spanere mara I think you're not around ne. Oh, I get some much.
Dennis went to Mayhem, bro. He did say.
Mara ba dlala bina ja manyalo me.
Yeah, probably on the way. But he did say that he's going to Mayhem. The advertising is not the one. I push you.
So
I'm
concert.
done with this one, so we're shuttering with that one. Oil filter.
Where's the oil filter? Where's the oil filter in here?
I'm out. I will wipe it properly, boy. You're missing the hole. You're missing the hole, boy. You're missing the hole.
Nah,
Why you laughing?
because I know what you're on.
You're missing the hole.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, wait.
Cake can handle this.